Unlock the flavors of India with this special chicken biryani recipe. Join us on a culinary journey as we prepare this spicy, aromatic dish that's loved worldwide. First, we marinate the chicken in a blend of spices and yogurt, setting the foundation for our biryani's rich flavor. Next, we dive into the art of cooking the basmati rice, ensuring it's fluffy and perfectly cooked, ready to absorb our flavorsome mix. Watch as we layer our chicken and rice, interspersed with mouth-watering caramelized onions, mint, and saffron-infused milk for that authentic biryani taste. We'll guide you through the slow cooking process, where the magic really happens, and every ingredient melts together in perfect harmony. Finally, we reveal our beautifully cooked biryani, its tantalizing aroma a testament to its exquisite taste. Join us and master the art of biryani cooking.